The Jamaican citizenship. How many national heroes does Jamaica have? That one is easy. Sam Sharp.
Yo! Badman, sure.
Hey guys, welcome back. As usual, as per. So, in this week's video, I'm going to be attempting to take the Jamaican citizenship. The Jamaican citizenship. Citizenship test. Citizenship test. Right. So, as you know, I was born and raised in Jamaica. But if you never obvious, it off to be obvious, off to this is kind of dark. Or is it you need to get 75% or 26 out of 35 of the questions to pass? Damn. Guys, let me tell you this. Me never used to like civics. Me never used to like civics. Me never used to like social studies. I never used to like history because them they have to read enough and me not able. How many national heroes does Jamaica have? That one is easy. Sam Sharp, Paul Bogle, Marcus Garvey, Alexander Bustamante, the Sangster man, Sangster, Nanny of the Maroon. Let me see what's smart down. Mr. Bustamante. I think a 7 or a 6. Don't judge me, boo, because I'm pretty sure you don't know either. A 7. I knew that.
Boy, if you don't get.
I knew that. What is Jamaica's national fruit? Pineapple, watermelon, apple, or ackee? I think a apple. I mean ackee. What is Jamaica's motto? Out of many we are one. No problem. Yeah man. Out of many one people. Is not A. You have to be D. Or if you be A. Or if you be out of many we are one. It out of many one people. Boy, I don't know. I need to go back to school, man. Who was the shortest serving prime minister? Oh, me fin know that. Oh, should I know that? So you have Andrew Holness, you have Portia, you have Edward Siaga, I have Donald Sangster. A Portia? I feel like I wanna the long time man then. Let me try Edward Siaga. Edward Siaga. Hey! A Donald Sangster. Me know na. Me know say I did him. Cause me know say I never Siaga. Bomba man. They say if you follow your mind, you know dog. Jamaica gained independence in 1964, 1962, 1994, no, 1694 or 1692. It's 1962. Number 6. Jamaica has what kind of government structure? Parliamentary, communist, republic, or democratic? Right, I got it, I got it, I got it. For a minute, I was like, hold on. Who was the first Jamaican woman to win Miss World? Was it Yendi or Lisa Hanna? Oh, but told me if you know this. Coral Joan Crawford. You know, I'm gonna go with Lisa Anna, but I feel like I'm say Lisa Anna. No, I. Coral Joan Crawford. I don't know she. I don't know that lady there. Bob Marley died in. You know, I did learn this in a music class in a grade 7. Me no remember. Me no remember. Grade 7 a long time back, you know? Me could see. Me could say 1988. At 81. Bombat. I saw long him dead. Kiss me next week. Which two Jamaicans currently hold the title of the woman's fastest man and fastest woman? Asafa Powell and Veronica Campbell. Usain Bolt and Shelly Fraser. Asafa and Shelly Usain Bolt and Veronica. And Veronica or Shelly have it. Shelly did have record what I say Shelly and Usain. Yeah, I got it. I got it. The main language in Jamaica is French. Ashikana mama, ashikana mulene. A French. No French. A patois. Patois. Pat Them set me up. Them set me up. How did I put part one at English? They set me up, bro. They set me up. Jamaica's current prime minister. Now big nose. Huh? You look like me nasty right or me nasty right. What did say? Jamaica's current prime minister, Portia Simpson. Whosoever make this, you need to update on something. I get this right, you know. You remember, so I get this right, you know, cause Andrew, a Jamaica current prime minister. I keep up this so I can remember. So any amount me get, my add the one here to it. Who is the only female national heroine for Jamaica? The most Nana of the Maroons, Nanny of Africa, Lady Nanny or Nanny of Man today. What currency is used in Jamaica? British pounds, US dollars, Caribbean dollars. Something Caribbean dollar? I'm gonna see this. I don't know if we can see actually watching. Which national hero led a peaceful protest that turned into Jamaica's largest slave rebellion? I feel like I'm Marcus Garvey. Assam Shah? A lie. I never know that. Who is on the one? Me never look for money. Me never used to look for money if you know who the on it. Me just get the money, spend the money. But my question, me want a nanny. $1,000? Wait there, Michael Manley and Norman Manley, brother. No. But anyways, I want to tell you, you know. Come in and think of Paul Bogle. Let me see. No, I did Michael Manley, you know. I mean, me just said, I know. I don't think of Paul Bogle and Paul Bogle me pick. What is the largest bill in Jamaica? Almost $5,000. $5,000 bill. Who was Jamaica's longest serving Prime Minister, Honorable Donald Sangster, Honorable Percival James Patterson, Honorable Edward Siaga, Honorable Andrew Holness. Who was the longest serving Prime Minister? A Sangster or a Siaga? No, Sangster was the Ah, I mistake that, you know. I mistake that because Sangster was the shortest. Oh, by the way, guys, the answer is Percival James Patterson. I don't know how name so. Jamaican's national dish is ackee and saltfish. Why don't I fry chicken and jerk chicken and baked chicken and rice and peas? The two main newspapers in Jamaica is Observer and Gleaner. Which of the following are Jamaican television stations? What? Guys, help me with that one. Cause a multiple choice like this, me no like, you know. It says CVM, Love TV, TVJ, and all of the above. Right? No. CVM and TVJ, yes, but what is Love TV? I know all of the above me I choose. All of the above. So what name Love TV? Jamaica have a news station? One name Love TV. Oh, so why they put that? That's so dumb. Which Jamaican singer won the Voice? Bob Marley, Tessan Chin, Damian Marley, and Jimmy Cliff. I know this from what a reality YouTuber, I mean influencer show the name we just in on YouTube. Come back me tough. What do you name? What name? Social Host. I know this from Social Host. Tessan Chin is the answer. What are the colors of the Jamaican flag? Pink, blue, and green. Black and gold, red and white and green. With white and green, how that will look? Black, green, and gold. Yeah, black, green, and gold is the answer. The main religion in Jamaica is Muslim. Jamaicans are not religious. You're brighty. Rastafarianism, Christianity is the answer. The estimated population in Jamaica is 2 million, 2.7 million, 3 million, 1.8 million. I go with 1.8. Come on, really know. 2.7. Wow, no enough for that work. No enough. What fruit did Jamaica trade with Hawaii in exchange for the Tahit apple? They know me if you know that. Me didn't know some exchange fruit. So now I have fruit exchange out here. Me I go say sweet sap. Because I don't think watermelon and pineapple sweet sap. A pineapple? Boom, but I wouldn't have get that. I wouldn't get that. What was the name of Jamaica's national television station before it became TVJ? How should I know that? Do I look like a grandma or do I look like a ancestor? Let's say BBC, because I don't know anything about that. JBC, Jamaica Broadcast. Cast. I guess BC could have been broadcast. Then what JBC mean? What is the capital of Jamaica? Port Royal, Spanish Town, Kingston, or Montego Bay? I think it's Montego Bay. I mean Kingston. Jamaica's two major airports are, I want name 10 sing pen. One airport inside Jamaica? Negril, you're down. Is Nama Manyadan and Sangsna. How many parishes does Jamaica have? Saint Anne, Kingston, Mandeville, Westmoreland, Hanover, Clarendon, I remember the more than 14. Bombastic side eye. How many counties? Counties. Cornwall, Middlesex, and Surrey. 3. How many members of parliament are there in Jamaica? Is it 60? You remember? It's 63. Dang. Who was the first native governor general of Jamaica? I'm going to say Clifford Campbell. My bright. My bright. My bright. What pirate became the first Lieutenant Governor of Jamaica? Sir C. Henry Moore, Sir Henry Morgan, Sir William Beeston, Sir Edward Trelawney. I wish I'm having a soul familiar. Sir Henry Morgan. Henry Morgan. I got it. Henry Morgan sound familiar for real. What was Sir Alexander Bustamante's real name? Can you remember Alexander Bustamante's real name? No, Alexander Bustamante's real name. Wait. William Alexander Clark, Bill Clinton Bustamante, Alex Robert Bustamante, Aline Augustine Clark. I'm gonna say William. Bright, you know? My bright. I never sit down in back of class for no reason. How many parishes did Jamaica have in 1844? Come here. Oh, me if you know that. How should I know that? How? Me I gonna say 12. 21? Where so much come from? Bomba. I could see how much me get. I get 23. Remember the question about Andrew Wellness? Remember that is 1 point at 23 me get. 23 out of 32. Out of 35. That not bad. That not bad. That not bad. That not pass mark was 26 out of 35. But me get 22 that me in 23 that not bad. Me do maths. I can't do that out of my head right now. But yeah. I am a Jamaican citizen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. But guys, Andrew now gonna take away my citizenship from Jamaica. My pass him way. My pass. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in each and every week when I drop my videos. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share out the video them, guys. Share them to everybody. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Can't believe it's really 20. Oh, you can really 20. You should do this. That's the way I don't. Nobody. Got somebody. Come say hi to people. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Oh yeah, keep this something. Say hi, brothers and sisters. Hi, brothers and no. Say hi, brothers and sisters, aunties and uncles, cousins. All right, tell them bye. Bye.